The preserve has seen a lot of changes over the years thanks to a stream dechannelization, wetland restoration, and wildlife habitat restoration projects. The transformation wasn't quick or easy, considering Hadley Valley is the largest restoration effort in the district's history. 7 tons of prairie seeds and 150,000 wetland plants were planted and now shape what visitors see today. Exploring the crushed limestone trails today will yield stunning views similar to what this patch of Illinois was like hundreds of years ago. The project was so successful it has won a variety of environmental awards and is a prime example of what can be accomplished on a large scale to help increase local biodiversity. What once was a farm field is now home to more than 15,000 species of insects, birds, aquatic invertebrates, fish, mammals, amphibians, and reptiles. Visit Hadley Valley today to appreciate all the blooms and all the hard work. These preserves are for you, so map your own adventure at reconnectwithnature.org.